My name is Eddie Rodriguez. This is Lear 60 on board. There are many potential career paths in aviation. I decided to become a pilot when I was just 7 years old. One of my cousins was in the Navy, flying for the Navy, and I thought that was pretty cool to fly and travel the world. And I've been on the Lear 60 for approximately 20 years. Love it. Can't complain. Happy to be here.
My name is Alex Torres. I work at Banyan as an aircraft technician, and I love what I do. Every day is a different day. You get to work from small aircraft to big aircraft, working single engines to dual engine aircraft, turbofans, turboprop, and that basically make every single day something different.
My name is Danny Santiago, and I'm the Director of Avionics here at Banyan. My career has grown from a technician on the maintenance department, then into a crew leadership role, which was the beginning stages of leadership, and into a maintenance service manager position, which allowed me to liaison between the technicians and the customer.
My name is Joseph Magdano. I'm a lead avionics technician for the service side. The training that we've received is both on the job, but we've also received additional training where we're sent out to different vendors and/or manufacturers.
If you want to know what it takes to become a pilot, aviation technician, or other aviation professional, then come to the Banyan Aviation Expo and discover your dream career. This free event unlocks your path to pursuing a fulfilling aviation career through one-on-one connections with over 30 South Florida flight schools, universities, and technical colleges. There's no cost to attend, just RSVP online. Register now to get your aviation career off the ground.